All right, so welcome to this quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to build a landing page using SendFox's landing page features. A landing page like this, where you can actually use this in all of your social media, your YouTube videos, your website, and that you can create this simple form that looks like this. You already have this hosted on SendFox's website, so you don't even need a website to do this. And you can get people to put their name and email in, push this join button, and then they end up getting on your email list so that you can start marketing to them with different offers or your own products or so forth. So we'll go build one that looks like this together, and I'll show you how all that works. So we are inside of this dashboard called SendFox. And if you don't know what SendFox is, it's basically an email marketing platform that has automations built in. They have AI built in. They have basically everything that all those fancy softwares like GetResponse, Aweber, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, all those big heavy hitters has all the features that they have in there. They have tagging, lists, they have landing pages, they have advanced automations, and all those other things, all those other email marketing platforms, they charge you and they nickel and dime you for every single thing that you want. And believe me, I used GetResponse for years. I liked it, but when I wanted to do a simple automation, they actually would charge me like $100 per month. You don't have to do that with SendFox. Now, with the link below, you'll be able to pick this up for just $29 for a one-time payment right now. This is an AppSumo product. They actually created the product themselves. So that's what AppSumo Original is. Now, AppSumo hosts hundreds of lifetime deal softwares that are coming to market and launching, and they help market those softwares. But they do have a few softwares, and this is one of their really good ones that has been around since 2018. So it stands the test of time. They're continuing to upgrade and build new features every single month. I highly recommend this tool, okay? So with that said, let's come in here and let's go and build out. I'm going to go in here to growth. And I'm going to go to create smart page, but we can go and browse the gallery, right? So there's a bunch of different galleries, and we can go in here and we can go to, depending on what you're looking for. There's technology right here, all these different pages right here with technology that you can go out there and build. So all you do is just select one, go change out what it looks like and so forth. Or better yet, you can actually just come back over here to the growth section right here. And you can go and create a smart page with the smart page assistant, right? And so you would put your link in here to whatever you're trying to sell. You don't have to do this. You can say, I don't have a website, or you can put that in right there as well if you want to. And then you can go and create a smart page. Now it will bring in the image. Now that image doesn't look good, but what I did was I went over to ChatGPT and I made this one for myself. And so you just go in there, you can use this prompt right over here. I said, can you make this logo into a portrait size, and under the logo, add my picture with no microphone and a normal, simple smile, no teeth. Boom. So then it just did it. Perfect. Here's the page right over here, the about page, right? And so then what we'll do is we'll come back over into here and we will go and create this, right? So what you'll do is you'll just click over here, you'll edit the smart page right here. We'll come into the customize everything right here. And then what we'll do is we will go and change this, and we'll actually insert, you want more of a portrait. That's going to look a lot better on the page, not a landscape. Okay. So then you have this right over here, and then you can go in here and you can change out the text right here as well. And then you're going to go and just change out the heading, whatever you want in the heading and right here. And then you literally can, if you want to add, you can go into design and you can change all kinds of different things about the design right over here. You can make that button green, different themes right here. We can go with that, and then we can go with like a red button just for fun. You can change what the form is going to have on it. So if you don't want the first name, you just want an email, or you want to add a phone number, you can do that. So it's just so easy to do. And you can see right here, get the free guide, right? And just like that. And then what you do is you just publish these changes right here. And then what you'll do is you'll come over here and you'll copy this, and you'll go and take a look at what your brand new landing page looks like. You've got the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator, you've got this opt-in right here, and you've got the email in right there. So just like that with SendFox, super easy to create a opt-in page, landing page, so you can start collecting emails and doing real email marketing and focusing on building your business the right way. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be doing a lot of in-depth tutorials, specific tutorials, getting right to the point so that you can move on about your day and get the information that you need. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video.